Hello, this is my guiContest program. Okay, so down here I have the main function, and obviously this calls everything, but here I have everything that's placed from all here. So this is just the title, this is just how big the window that I make is, title of it, the start button, title widget, start button, and then returns everything. Here is the computer game frame. This allows the user to play against the computer. And then here I have the game board and the overall space here, which makes it between rows. Here I have outcomes, so you lost, and congrats, you won the match. Compute, this function decides the computer's next move, so depending, it'll show the board, it'll check the board. Just free space, make sure that the player isn't allowed to press on spaces that aren't theirs. And here's just the overall outcome of which the program knows whether you won or lost. So here are the necessary libraries and packages. Sticky Decky Dough, Born, I think there is something wrong. It usually lags out, or it usually ends up messing up around this part. And something else I can't find, but yeah, it only really does it. It only really shows that I won. It doesn't actually check if the computer lost. It only ever shows me if I won, but it does show like a few of the outcomes. So it's not perfect, but you know, it kind of works. But yeah.